Today, a very expensive car came to my car wash center, and it was very dirty. The owner told me that if I could clean this car and bring back its original shine, he would give me $5,000. Without hesitation, I said yes, and I knew I had to clean it very carefully. I started washing it, but the car was in really bad condition, so I had to be very patient. I knew it would take a lot of time, but I was determined to finish the job today because I really needed the money. Finally, I found someone who was willing to pay me a good amount for my hard work.
Hey, Uncle, are you seriously making these useless YouTube videos? No one is going to support you.
No, my friend, that's not true. These people are really nice. Just wait and see. They will like, subscribe, and even write their beautiful names in the comments. After hours of hard work and dedication, I finally succeeded in completely cleaning the luxury car. Now, I will get $5,000, which will help me buy the things I need.